Good luck, everybody, in Gypsy Queen and in the autograph baseball. We have a filler right now to find out for some of the remaining spots who's going to end up with which spot. Is it going to be a letter in the baseball, or is it going to be a team in Gypsy? And so here's a little further explanation. You can see if you are in the top 9, we're going to do this as a random filler. If you're in the top 9, well, you're going to be in TRISTAR744. And so you want to, after the random 7 times, you'll own the top 9 will have these spots in the baseball break. In the bottom 10, we'll have these teams in that order. With if your name's 19, you're going to have Toronto, 18, 17, 16. So there's a 19 spot filler. So let's do it. I think everybody understands how the random filler works, with the top 9 going to the baseball and bottom 10 going into the Gypsy. Seven times. Good luck. 6. Lucky number 7. And the top 9. Well, guess what? You are in this baseball rip now. And I'm adding your name to this break. And that is going to be coming up really soon at the end of our video. So if you're in that break, be looking for that toward the end of the video. For the remaining let's see. For the remaining 10, it should have been, yeah. Let me see if I got this right. I might have goofed up. I don't think I messed up, but I may have. Let's get over to our optic and see if we're missing a last spot. And we'll random to see who gets it. If I've messed up, we'll just, somebody's going to get a team in optic. I'm going to fill this in right now. Paul A., you're in the 10th spot. And that is for Gypsy, excuse me. So the Blue Jays might be up for grabs still. Cincinnati is owned by Chad. Paul A. owns the Rockies with number 13. Mike S., you're in, and you've just got a team in Gypsy, the Milwaukee Brewers. All right, Paul A., you've got a team. the Oakland A's. Let's see, I'm going to double check everything. Our top 9 are in the baseball, and our bottom 10 should be in on Gypsy in that team corresponding order outlined right here. I'm just going to fill this in really quickly. Pittsburgh Pirates for Chad C. Roger has Seattle. Tampa is for Taylor. And Toronto for Don A. So everybody's got their team. And if you're in Gypsy Queen and you've got a team, you've also got a shot at winning the Cubs. So we're going to find out right now who's going to win the Cubs in the RIP. Good luck. In our Gypsy Queen RIP that is happening right now. Let's get to the random. Seven times winners on the top of the list. Good luck. Who's going to win the Cubs in Gypsy? 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. It's Brian J. Congratulations, Brian J. You have just hit the Cubs in Gypsy Queen. Let's see what we can find in here. And let's see what we can find in Gypsy. And good luck in the baseball rip. Those of you, the 9 that are in there, good luck to you. The 9 that got us a discounted spot, essentially, in there. That's terrific stuff. Good things are happening for us here at FEB all the time. And what's up, Farm Girl? Hit something big. Oh, yeah. Optics coming up. Ho! Oh, yes. Signature Series is down really close, too, isn't it? I think Signature Series had 5 left last I saw. So not many left at all in that break. If you're looking for a break to get in on, I would definitely say there is good possibilities that can happen for you in there. Is it a 1 of 1? It's going to happen one time. We're going to flip it over. It's going to say 1 of 1. You'll see it's going to happen in Gypsy. Somebody's going to hit big in one of these boxes. You know it. Running through the case of this is always exciting, loaded with possibilities. And our first nice little parallel right there. Oh, my. Would you look at that? Would you look at that, Chris G? Ho! Terrific hit on card auto. Chris G is going to be very happy to see this one in the video. That is terrific, man. What's the number on this thing? New York. 71 of 99. New York. Oh, my. What else is coming up? Oh, Ty Cobb. Nice one there for the Tigers owner. Taylor L. pulling down a Ty Cobb. Short print. Be looking real sharp for throwback jerseys. I missed those. So help me if you spot something that I miss. There's something right there that I'm not going to miss. That's the Twins' Mike S. pulling the no nameplate. Way to go, Mike. A little no nameplate action. Throwback jerseys are a little bit harder for me to spot, along with the no hat variation. We ship everything out in the break. It is coming out to you. Nice little Ichiro. And there's a little something right there for the Cubs. 8 of 50. Chicago Cubs owner. Nice one for you. Right there, that is Brian J., who won the Cubs as a bonus team. Boom, 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 boom. Nothing like a little bonus action. Ho! It's Kansas City for Pine Tar, who's just had a terrific luck today. Pulled 2 autos in the last Gypsy Queen, and now he's back for another autograph on card auto. My, oh my. Way to go, Pine Tar. Terrific. Yeah, there's a nice fortune teller. Clayton Kershaw. Is that a no cap? Oh, man, I thought I saw no cap. No Syndergaard. Bubblegum. Oh, man. We are looking for bubblegums. I want to see a bubblegum. Here's a Red Sox. 204 is the number on this one right here. Nice one right there for Boston, Brian J. More parallels come out of the rip. 90 is the number on this one for the Reds. More parallels. Cincinnati. That is Childress who hit that parallel. Nice one, Childress. Let's see what else happens. Texas Rangers. Nice art card. Coming out of there for TJ. Nice Dexter Fowler. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. What do we have here? Is it an autograph? Blue Jays. Nice box topper for the Blue Jays owner. That is coming out for Don A., who won them in the filler. Nice going, Don. Nice hit for you, sir. Well, let's take a look and see if we can spot any variation on the backs real quick, and we'll be right in the baseball rip and find out who gets what last name letter in the autograph ball break. So taking a quick flip through, looking for the green. Come on, green. Where are you at, green? Or the bubble gum. They stand out pretty good. They're not that hard to spot at all. And I see one already. I can see a green bag. All right, congratulations, Oakland A's. Pulling this one right here. That is going to get a case, and that's a rare item. Terrific. That's our Gypsy Queen rip. Nice going. Congratulations to those of you who hit nicely in there. We're going to shift gears right now down Big Hit Boulevard. We're shifting gears, and we're going to see who gets what last name letter in just a moment. And Platinum. Platinum autograph baseballs. We're going to do a random between the owners in this break and find out what happens next. Good luck. All right, here we go. 7 times for the owner random. And then 7 times for the letters. Here is a lucky number 7. And that is our first random complete. And let's see who gets which last name letter. Seven times. 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. And there you have it. Everybody is going to get matched up with their letter. Feel free to make a trade in the break. Moving over to our autographed baseball rip now from our filler. Several owners had gotten in the filler and saved a buck or two getting a spot of this. Well, let's see what happens. That is U, V, Y, and Z, I, K, and Q. It's an autographed baseball. It's platinum, everybody, and it's coming up and it's ripping. Let's pull a Mickey Mantle. Let's hit something big in this. What is it? Who is it? Is it gold? All right, not a gold ball. We didn't get a bonus one in this case. Nothing wrong with a bonus gold ball, right? That's not happening though. So let's see what is happening. Good luck once again to everybody in the rip. It's going to be a numbered baseball. Let's see if we can identify. Is it going to be a 1 of 1? Oh my gosh. Is it a 1 of 1? One of 36 is the number. Oh my. Let's take a look at the auto. So it's not a 1 of 1. But it is. Oh my, I don't recognize. A Hall of Famer, 1990. Oh, I don't recognize the autograph of this Hall of Fame ball player. Good luck once again, everybody, with their last name, letter, initial. In platinum autograph baseballs is a Jim Palmer. Ho! Ho! On our treasure hunt, we've been looking for gems. We've been looking for gems today, but I didn't think we would hit a Jim Palmer. We were talking about gems. Well, we have just hit a gem. I don't know. Maybe someone's gotten confused. But anyway, It's a great hit and a big congratulations. Oh, to Mr. Snake. Snake slides in and scoops this one up. It is a gem of a hit. Way to go with some treasure around here. Hall of Fame autographed Oriole legend of the game. Snake, you've hit. Nice one. Jim Palmer comes out. Well, that was a lot of fun. And we've got more good things happening around here headed our way. So I'm going to get everything ready for the very next break. That was exciting stuff with an autograph ball and Gypsy.